easy guide to refund skins purchases on Valorant. Now, the very first thing that you'll do is unfortunately you won't be able to have these requests using from the game itself. So all you have to do is access any web browser that you want to use and go straight to the search bar. Now, you can just definitely hover around the options that you can choose from Riot Games, but this is much more quicker than going to the Riot Games. So in here, just search for Valorant support refund. Now you're gonna be seeing the first result, which of course will take you out and redirect you to support-valorant.riotgames.com. Then here, you should be able to see these options. Now, what I want to advise you is to log into your account first before you click any of these options right here. So once you've successfully logged in, just scroll all the way down. And if none of these options are providing you works, just scroll down and we will submit a ticket. Now just simply click on submit a ticket. That's going to be highlighted as red and you'll be redirected to this page. So just comply this necessary information. That's choosing a request type. Now go with billing, payment, and cash refunds, and it will automatically fill out on its form right here. So if you do have a screenshot on the payment that you made from that purchase, then that's a good thing. So once again, you'll have to log in first before you can submit a ticket. So that's how, or that's the easy guide for processing a refund on the skin purchases from Valorant.